Hello from the Bureau of Meteorology. Well done for getting through to Friday. Let's check out the weather across the country for the weekend. And it's a pretty good weekend to get those outdoor chores done. Very little rainfall expected across Australia, and that's really the story. When we see these H's on the map, these high pressure areas, they do bring us settled conditions for most areas. There'll be the odd spot of rainfall, including around parts of Queensland, because we're seeing a return of the onshore winds on Saturday. That's the winds blowing this direction here from the ocean to the land, and that will bring one or two light showers actually to many coastal locations. They'll be pretty quick, they'll be pretty brief, and in between there should be some good glimpses of sunshine there. Interior places continuing to run very warm, well above average for the time of year, and there are some high fire danger areas. Across New South Wales, we could see a frosty morning, chilly start actually around the slopes and ranges, and much of New South Wales can expect temperatures between 2 and 5 degrees below average for Saturday. A particularly cool start in Canberra with a 1 degree early morning temperature up to 19 during the day. Fine and sunny pretty much across the state. We might see a shower around the Northern Rivers or Tablelands, but very, very light. I think you're still pretty safe to get your washing on the line. Also maybe a frosty start around Victoria, particularly around those elevated areas in the state, and then a fine day with afternoon northerly breezes, pushing temperatures up into the low 20s for many areas. We'll have a cool and frosty morning on Saturday across Tasmania, then a fairly pleasant day. There will certainly be some cloud around most of the state, but we should see the sun peeking through at times as well. Ought to stay dry across Hobart, the east and the north, but we could see a few afternoon or evening showers in the west and maybe the far south as well. After a couple of cooler days for South Australia this week, we will see a return of those warmer temperatures on Saturday as the northerly wind gets going again. Not too strong, call it a moderate northerly breeze. Dry and sunny for eastern areas. We could see a shower or two develop in the west, but really it's places west of the Eyre Peninsula, so it's not impacting much of the state. We got windy conditions on Saturday across Western Australia, warm as well, and the warm windy weather is bringing an increase in fire danger, so many places do have high fire risk areas. 1 or 2 showers possible about the south coast, dry everywhere else, a nice high of 24 degrees in Perth, and then next week things are really shooting up into the mid-30s there. Across the north, we continue to see heat wave conditions for the Kimberley and the Northern Territory as well. Many places into the 40s yet again on Saturday. The chance of showers across Northern Australia is dying down at the moment, so there'll just be 1 or 2 showers dotted around the north. Most people won't notice them at all. In the central part of the state, we will have a few ongoing bushfires at the moment, and there's nothing really in the weather to help those crews battling the blazes because it's still warm, still expecting some moderate winds and no rainfall in the forecast at all. A quick peek at Sunday as well. It's another pretty settled day across the country. A couple of changes. We get a weak little weather feature crossing Tasmania, bringing showers to most of the state down there, and we anticipate a few further showers around Brisbane and the north tropical coast of Queensland. Other parts of the country pretty much fine, still quite windy in the west, but almost everywhere else will be getting ample sunshine for your Sunday. If you'd like to see how next week is shaping up, get the early outlook on the Bureau website and app. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend.